Okay everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make how I press this shampoo bar in this special mold. I got this mold from Bath Bomb Press and Molds on Facebook. So this one is a shampoo bar that I've made, and I've turned it into dough-like. Okay, I've cooled it down to about 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that it's easier to work with. Okay, so that you can see that it doesn't stick to my hand or to my gloves. So you need to dust your mold with I do it with cornstarch, corn flour, and you can either use this spray, or you can use just a normal brush to dust your mold. Put my shampoo bar. Okay, now I know that this is the right consistency because it doesn't stick to my gloves anymore. And then what you do is that you're just gonna press. Now if you have a pressing machine, that would be better, because then it does compress tightly. Okay, so if you don't, you just have to press with your hands, and then okay, take it out. Okay, the bottom part and the top part. See, there's your shampoo bar. Okay, you can dust off. How does that look? Awesome. So now you're gonna do this same thing with conditioner bar. Here's how it looks like. I've done this earlier. You do the same thing. You dust it with the mold with cornstarch generously, so it'll come out easier. Okay, so now this will be paired together in the shower, so that you know which is shampoo and which is conditioner. Now you can get this recipe on how to make the shampoo bar and the conditioner bar from my website, www.bespokeformula.com. It's the second edition for 2019, has 89 pages with 22 formulas, both 11 formulas for shampoo bar and 11 formulas for conditioner bar. You can check it out. It's only $20. More details from my website. Thank you.